Hey, what's happening? I have another thing to share with you. People always ask me like what supplements I take, and one of my new favorite supplements is from Dr. Stern called Relax, and the reason is it's an adrenal repair formula. If you're anything like me and you're busy, you're always moving, you're always got a lot on the calendar, working out, family, your adrenals get fatigued like mine do. And stress levels can increase it. Even if you're not even like a stressed out person, all those things can attack your adrenals and really wear you down. For me, I'm always looking for ingredients or anything that can truly give my adrenals what they need, like the fuel they need, and make sure my energy cycle is working. And I've tried a lot of things, and this literally is one of the best I've ever tried. I'd highly recommend it. You can check out each ingredient. I won't go into them on this, but I love this. I take it every day, and I highly recommend it for anyone who's looking for, especially like if you have adrenals. You probably have different. You're probably storing too much fat. You're probably exhausted. You feel multiple crashes, and this really helps me a lot. So hopefully it helps you too. All right, bye.